The only other thing that we're gonna need a couple of olives for the top of the hamburger. So I'm gonna take the darker green here. And this is so easy, all you have to do is roll it into a ball, like so. Now when I'm rolling it, if I roll it and I have lines in it like this, what that means is I'm not applying enough pressure between my hands. So you have to push a little harder, okay? Might take you a little longer if your hands, you have cooler hands, as opposed to hot hands like I have, then you won't get as many lines, you just have to push harder. Okay, so now you want it to be more of an oval shape, so just take your hands like this, and just kind of play with it a little bit, and voila. Okay, so the olives usually have you can make a little, just use the back of a paintbrush, make a little opening here. And we'll just take a little bit of the red fondant. And just pop that in there. We'll make two. And about the same size. Use the back of the brush again. So funny, I mean, people have all these tools. I usually just use whatever is right by me. So just kind of, the back of a paintbrush is one of my favorite tools, actually. All right, then take a toothpick. Hopefully this is long enough. If it doesn't end up being long enough for what you need, then use one of those skewers that you use on kebabs. And we'll go ahead and push this one in, and the other one, put it at a different angle. And there are olives, all ready for the burger. Okay, so we'll just set those aside also. So I think we've got most of our fixings except for our ketchup and our mustard, which we're going to use just buttercream. So you'll need some red buttercream ready, and you also need some yellow buttercream. For the yellow buttercream, I usually will use like an egg yellow or golden yellow, and then add just a tiny, tiny touch of brown food color to it to get a nice mustard color. So we will go ahead and get our burger out here, and we'll be ready to put it all together.